Good day, traders from all over the world. This is Tapelo speaking. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use effectively, how to use the mobile system. Okay, as prescribed, right? Just to make your work quite very easy. Remember, the most important thing, the mobile system is for long-term traders. Okay, now if you're a long-term trader, you will feel very comfortable with using the system, right? What I'm trying to say is, if you are a trader that holds positions quite longer, all right, this system will be very comfortable for you. Why? Because we take long-term positions when it comes to the mobile system, right? Now, the first things first. The only difficulty that you will have as a trader when it comes to the mobile system, it is to spotting or to identifying your key levels of support and resistance level. Okay? Now, this is very difficult for traders mostly to identify the support and resistance levels, and that is mostly important when it comes to the mobile system. Now, looking at our chart, this is Nasdaq, right? Looking at our chart. Secondly, always look for support and resistance levels on a longer time frame. I use a daily time frame mostly to spot my support and resistance levels. Now, let's see. As you can see here, we have a level. Let me change the color to make it quite visible. We have a level there acting as a what? As a resistance, right? This was the level where the market retested and then started going down aggressively, right? And then all of a sudden, now we have a level here that pushed the market to go on an opposite direction of a buy. Now, if you have this level, firstly, the first level of resistance, that is where you will put your level of resistance, your Fibonacci. That is where you will place your Fibonacci level, right? And then, secondly, if this below here is your support level, this is where you will put your support level of the Fibonacci. Okay, so those are the only two levels that are movable in this mobile system, the only resistance and the support. And then these ones of retracement, buy entry, buy target, they automatically move when you move those levels. Okay, now the key levels is the resistance level, and then secondly the support level. So if you know how to move your support level and your resistance level, everything will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, now again, secondly, what about entries? How do we enter using the mobile system, right? Let's see. Now, once your market reverse from the what? From the support level, okay, you don't automatically buy at the support level. I will 100% advise you to wait until the market close above the entry of a buy. Now let me use an arrow here, right there. Okay, now for our entry of a buy, you switch to a 1 hour time frame. If the candle closes above this entry of a buy, you just need only one candle of 1 hour, then you can buy from that level. Same thing applies. Those who are on our one-on-one sessions will understand what you talk about when you talk about the 1 hour candle for our entries. Okay, so for our entries, we call it a scalping entry. We enter with the scalping method or with the scalping system. Okay, reason is you don't enter at the support level because now we are not trading the price action, right? Once you enter at the support or the resistance, you are trading price action. But once you enter at the reverse of the psychology of that movement, simply means now you are trading a scalping. You are a scalper. So in this format, we are scalpers. Okay, now once you scalp, you enter above your buy entry, your first take profit will be at the retracement level. This is the retracement level right there. That will be your first entry. And then if the market continues to break above the retracement, it simply means the market is going to have a continuous movement on an upside or on a bullish movement, right? So if you take your take profit 1 at the retracement, then your take profit 2 will just go up until the buy target. Okay, so as you can see, Nasdaq really outperformed itself very good. It was a nice movement until it is the buy target. Okay, now secondly, this is what you can do. Let's say you only have one position, right? And then you take your take profit at the retracement. But now, where will you enter again for the second position? The only time you will enter for the second position is when the market breaks above the retracement level. Then you can buy above this retracement level. Same thing applies. You will wait for a 1 hour candle to close above your retracement level. Reason is, let me show you. Remember, as a forex trader, you must always look for previous tested levels just for you to confirm what's going to happen later on, right? Now, let me show you something very good. Now, look at this. The market was right here at this level, right? And then it went to what? To the retracement level, right? And then when it gets to the retracement level, I'll just call it a pullback also. Once it gets to a retracement or a pullback level, it did what? It retraced, meaning that the market changed direction and went to the support level again, as you can see, right? But now, same thing applies. The market goes to the retracement. Did it fail? Did it go to the support again? No. It broke above the support level. It broke above that retracement level and went on an upside. And second thing, if you have a level like this that was tested here previously, you can use this level as a what? As your resistance level right here. Temporary acting as a resistance level. So that if the market goes again to retest that retracement level for the second time, if it fails to break below and then goes up, then we can do what? We can buy. But if it breaks below the retracement level, we're going to sell again up until the what? The support level, right? If it broke below, failed to break above, we're gonna do what? We're gonna sell again. Now what happened here is, the scenario is this. The reason why the retracement level got broken, or acting as a temporary retracement resistance level got broken, is because the buyers are very strong. The bull movements, or the bulls, they are very strong. They are in action, they are in power, they are controlling the market. There's nothing you can do. If the market breaks above your level, it simply means the level or the market in that directions is very, very, very strong. Okay, now this is how you will only trade the system. Make sure that you don't trade at the resistance and the support. Reason is because it's 50% chance that the market might break below your support level, continues to go on a downside, and remember, now you are on a buy level, of which you will run on deep loss. Right, that's how you will tend to lose money. And also, secondly, if the market is at your resistance, there is a 50% chance or high probability that the market might break above the resistance level based on the movement of that pair or that structure. It might break above, and then the market might continue to go on a continuous level or continuous buy movement, and then you will start to lose money in that way. So my only advice is, if you're using the mobile system, make sure that you wait for the market to reverse from that resistance level, goes into your what? Your entry of a sell, of which this is where our entry of a sell is at. And as you can see, once the market closed below the entry of a sell, it just keeps selling, keep selling, keep selling, keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. So if the market reverse right now, currently, as you can see, Nasdaq is still on a bullish movement on a daily time frame. So what we are expecting is a reverse sooner or later. Now if the market reverses, we'll only enter below the sell entry. Okay, so that's how simple we can trade with the mobile price action system. Always make sure that your key levels are supported. Always make sure that the market closed above the entry of a buy before you buy. Make sure that the market closed below the entry of a sell before you sell. Okay, so this is the mobile system. It will give you the resistance level, sell entry, buy target, retracement. Retracement is also known as a pullback. The retracement, the scenario of it is that once the market reaches the retracement, that is the level that we predict that the market is either going to continue on the same direction or the market is going to change direction, start moving on an opposite direction. Okay, that is why it's called the retracement level. That is the level that we know sooner or later the market might change direction. Okay, and then we have a sell target for a sell entry, and then a buy entry, and then a support level. So if you buy, it's either you're gonna take your take profit at the retracement, or you will wait for the market to reach the buy target. Okay, if you sell, you are gonna take your take profit at the retracement as your take profit 1, and then your other take profit will be at the what? At the sell target. So as you can see, the system will automatically give you all these levels. Okay, now let's look at another pair just to confirm. Let's look at another pair. This is Nasdaq. Let's look at silver. Also silver, same thing, right? We have the support level, buy, everything, and as you can see, it's moving very good. We had our buy levels right there. We had a buy level here, and it did what? It bought. And then secondly, we had our buy entry here. It did what? It bought. And then if you can see here also, we had a sell entry, it sold. And then right here, we had a sell entry, it sold. So the system is quite very comfortable. It's very accurate, and you will never go wrong when it comes to the system. The only thing that you have to identify perfectly is where your support and resistance levels are at. Okay, now let's look at another pair. Let's look at USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, same thing applies. We had a sell entry, it sold, right, accurately. Sell entry, it sold accurately. And then right here we had a buy entry, it bought. Very good and very nice, right? Let's go to another pair. Okay, let's check euro. All right, this is euro NZD. Okay, let's look at euro NZD. We had a sell entry, it sold, all right, perfectly. Sell entry, sold perfectly. And right here, sell entry, sold perfectly. And then let's look at the buy entry, bought, very nice, very well. Then also this side, the market kept buying at that level of a buy entry. So this is how consistent the market can be. It just gives you the levels. All you have to do is open trades. Okay, now let's look at the last pair. As you can see, I'm using currency also in indices, but I only use Nasdaq as my referral. I will also enter, or I will also include USDT. Also, this is Australian dollar USD. We had a buy level there, the market bought, very nice. And then right here we had a sell entry, it sold, right? And then here sell entry, sold. Even here it kept on solding so many times, kept on selling, which was very nice movements from Australian dollar USD, right? And then right here we had an entry of a buy, it bought, very nice. Let me check, what did I, okay, Euroza. Let's check Euroza, same thing applies. Sell entry, sold, very nice, very good pips that you could have collected from that sell entry. Very nice movement. And then from here, buy, bought, very nice, beautiful setup. And then right here also it bought, very nice, which was a beautiful setup also. As you can see, this is for long term. We should have still be holding up until the retracement, or we can put it, you can push it up until the buy target there. As you can see, this is how consistent the system can be. So the most challenging, okay, let's check GBP USD. We haven't checked it. Okay, let's check GBP USD. We had a buy entry, bought, very nice movements, good pips that were collected from GBP USD. So GBP USD is one of those pairs that have very large movements. You can make a lot of pips when it comes to GBP USD because of the consistency of its movements, right? If it buys, it buys. If it sells, it sells. It's like indices, right? As you can see here, we had an entry of a sell, of which it sold, very nice, very nice. And then right here we had a buy entry, which has bought quite very good also. And then right here we should have taken our take profit right here at the retracement level. So the most difficult part about the system, it's only identifying the resistance and support. Now if you are a trader and you know how to effectively identify these levels, then you will never go wrong. Everything will be fine for you. Okay. And also, if you don't know how to spot these levels, we have a group, a mobile system group, where we share these setups of the support level and the resistance levels, right? So we share daily for each pair where is the resistance level for you to plot your mobile system, and then secondly, where is your resistance level for you to plot the system. Very nice. So this is also a breakout strategy on a system, right? The breakout strategy, we have made it to be quite very easy for you to understand using your phone, right? We have created system of a breakout, so we know every time when the market moves from the support, then it breaks above your buy entry, we know that the market is going to buy. If it breaks below your sell entry, the market is going to sell. So this is a breakout strategy and price action at the same time in one system, working on a phone, MT4 and MT5. Very easy friendly and very consistent. So far the accuracy of the system is 95% accurate when it comes to indices, and then it's 90% accurate when it comes to currency pairs. Okay, the only days that the market might be affected is when we have NFP for currency pairs, 90% accurate, and when we have a CPI. All right, that's the days that the market is mostly disturbed. That is why on currency pairs we have 90% accuracy, because there's a lot of fundamentals that takes place daily. Okay, now this is very accurate, very nice. If you need mentorship about the system, mentorship is available, and we have a group where we share the setups. Thank you very much. And also the signals, which trades to take and which trades not to take. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be looking forward to working with you. Thank you very much, traders from all over the world.